Welcome back for another episode. Today we're going to be snaking our main shower drain. And I'm not sure if you can see through the grate, but there is a bunch of hair built up in there. So we're going to try and clean that out. We're going to be using this power drum auger I picked up off of Amazon. I'll have a link in the description. We'll see how good that works. And then I'm going to be using my DeWalt drill. I also have a borescope camera we can throw down there just to see how well it's cleaning. The first step is remove this drain. It's just a couple of screws, drain cover. This will probably be the easiest part of this job. So right off the bat, you can see there is a lot of gunk right at the surface there. So this little kit comes with some gloves, so let's try those out. These actually are pretty nice, decent rubber gloves. Yeah. So that's quite a bit just built up right there. Can't quite reach it with my fingers, so I'm actually gonna go grab a little long claw thingy and then pull them out. Alright, just got the long handle grabbers. And we'll just start scooping out. So even with that big clump right there, it's still, that's actually water level down there. So there's something even farther down. Alright, so let's get the borescope out and see if we can make it around the corner. So I made it around that P-trap, but there's something blocking it. So something farther down is holding it up. Alright, so let's get this auger out here. See how much farther we can go down the rabbit hole. Alright, super simple to use. You can do it by hand with this blade up. It comes in and out. Put it down and it just sits there and spins. So if you got some kind of clog you gotta drill through, do that. It won't advance. It'll just grab the clog. Or go by hand. Take the little plastic thing off. Put some out by hand. Connect the drill just like you would a normal drill bit. I made it pretty far down there. We'll bring it back, see what we find. First chunk of hair. Not a whole lot. But there is some hard chunks in here. Like, I don't know. Previously, before this, the whole drain was actually full of the grout from the builders. I wonder if that grout is continuing around the P-trap and down farther. But let's run that through one more time and see what else we find. So I didn't really pull anything out that time. So we'll get rid of all this junk. Clean up our stuffs. And before we put it back together, we'll give this a test. So far so good. Usually it would take just a minute and this thing would start flooding almost all the way up to the top here. Not flooding, but filling. So hopefully all that gunk in the top was blocking the water, and then the snake would have cleared out anything farther down the line, and this will flush the rest down. And that's how you snake a drain. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more content.